sobrang thankful kami kasi sobrang bait mo, ang dali mong alagaan, hindi ka maarte, manang-mana kay daddy.
Pack it in, now it's time to begin. We're gonna get started. Just believe in your dream and you know you can be anything you want it. We are the children of the rising sun. I've got this feeling we've only just begun. Yeah, the best is yet to come. So take your dreams and run. And watch a new day dawning. It shines on everyone. Yeah, the best is yet to come. The future's burning brighter than the sun. Yeah, the best is yet to come. Yeah, the best is yet to come.
Hello, Candice. Grateful kami ni Daddy mo na dumating ka sa amin. Everyday masaya sa bahay. Excited kami gumising lahat dahil sa smile at sa sayang binibigay mo sa amin araw-araw. And thank you kasi napakabait mong bata, ang bilis mong matuto. Hindi mo kami pinahirapan ng daddy mo. Ngayong 1-year-old ka na, 1 year na kaming masaya, nakasama ka.
Everywhere we go, everywhere we go, oh, 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 everywhere we
Of course, together with her mommy and daddy. Everybody, let's all welcome, make some noise for Daddy Sabina.
The sunshine. Everywhere we go, everywhere we go, the sunshine.
Candice, ang wish ko lang sa'yo is yun nga, good health and more travels to us kasi medyo isang taon na tayong tambay sa bahay. So, siguro this papuntang 2 years mo, sana makagala na tayo ng sobrang dami kasi naghiyang-hiyang na yung mami mong gumala. Pero yun, sana more travel to us, more adventure, and yun. I'll make sure na madami tayong gagawin, more birthday parties. I'll do my best, lalo na sa future mo, future ng family natin, and ayun, sa lahat-lahat na.
Everywhere we go, everywhere we go.
Oh, guys, look! Wow! Good job, team bro.
Everywhere we go, everywhere we go.
Later, meron tayong photo op bago tayo mag-proceed sa buffet. So, yung pinakamataas na energy na table, ina-note natin, unahin natin sa buffet later. Table number 2! Ayan. Ay, tingin mo din pa sila gutom. Number 8! Mas mataas yun.
Everywhere we go, everywhere we go.
Title of song.
Ernest Whisper.
Again.
Ernest Whisper.
Come on!
We bring the sunshine. Everywhere we go, everywhere we go. We bring the sunshine. Everywhere we go, everywhere we go. We can be in a place that you wanna be. As long as you're here right next to me.
Happy birthday, Candice! Kahit tulog na ang baby namin, sobrang pagod. We wish you to be happy, healthy, and a God-fearing child.
Gusto ka, Candice? Sana isa pa rin din. Matigas ang ulo nito.
Happy birthday na lang sa apo ko na hirap na siya. Tsaka mabuhat. Pero, di ba kung stariray na bata, tutulong nagpaplak.
We bring the sunshine. Everywhere we go, everywhere we go. We bring the sunshine. We'll write our names across the sky. We'll conquer day and rule the night. And you and I will.
Alam ko, bata ka pa, hindi pa to alam. Pero someday, makikita mo kung gaano kami nag-effort kasi you deserve the best, anak. Sana paglaki mo, magawa mo lahat ng gusto mo at yung mga magpapasaya sa'yo. Marami kang challenges na harapin. Huwag kang matakot na if ever ma-fail ka, kasama yan sa paglaki mo para maging strong ka. Basta kahit anong mangyari, nandito kami ni daddy mo para alalayan ka kapag nadapa. Love na love ka namin ni daddy mo. Noong una, hindi pa namin alam kung ba't binigay ka agad sa amin ni Lord. Pero nung dumating ka, nalaman namin yung reason kung pinastrong mo lalo yung relationship namin ng daddy mo. Ginawa mo kaming responsible na parents.
Happy birthday, Candice! We love you so much!
The sunshine